लेट अस स्टार्ट विद ए क्वेश्चन मिसिंग नंबर। ये एक इजी क्वेश्चन है लीड कोड पे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 268। बस इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डिस्कसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन। आई विल डिस्कस विद 4 डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट इज अ सिंपल और ब्रूट फोर्स अप्रोच, आई कैन से। सेकंड, by using JOR operator. Third, by using mathematics. And fourth, by using sorting. So let's first understand the question. What is the contrast of the question? So I have a vector which is nums, and it contains 0 to n integers और एलिमेंट्स। तो क्वेश्चन तो आप लोग पढ़ के समझ लेंगे, तो सीधे चलते हैं इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट पे। तो कुछ ऐसा कह रहा है कि हमारे पास एक नम्स नाम का वेक्टर है जो कि 0 to n एलिमेंट कंटेन करता है। तो 1 to n में n एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, तो 0 to n में n+1 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, बट आवर वेक्टर कंटेन n एलिमेंट्स like 3, 0, 1 in first example. तो our range is 0 to n, मतलब it must be have 4 elements in this case. Our nums contain 3 and 1 element is missing. Our task is to find that missing element and return its index. If we can't find any missing element, we return 0. Means if all elements are present between range 0 to n, then we return 0. If there is any element missing from 0 to n, then we return that element index. So let us start with the brute force approach. Start from 0. 0 is present. 1 is present. 2 is not present. 3 is present. So how we return its index? Its size is 3. I found that 2 is not present there. बट हाउ इट इज। तो इसको क्लियर करने के लिए इसका सेकंड टेस्ट देखते हैं। सेकंड टेस्ट के बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है, जिसे जो कि समझना बहुत जरूरी है। सेकंड केस में हमारा जो है नम्स इज 0, 1 इफ वी सीन दिस टेस्ट केस वी थिंक कि ऑल नंबर्स आर प्रेजेंट, बट क्वेश्चन से नंबर्स आर रेंज बिटवीन 0 to n, मीन्स इफ आवर नम साइज इज n, then there is n+1 number. Our num size is 2. Our num size is 2 means our range is 0 से 2. So there are 3 numbers between 0 से 2. 0, 1 and 2. First understand in this concept, this is the key concept of this question. If our num size is 2, there means our range is 0 to 2, मतलब 0 to n. 0 to n there are 3 numbers. But here 0 or 1 only present, means its output is 2. 2 is missing. This is the key concept of our question. So how can we solve? We are easily find कि 2 is our output, 3 is our output, but how we return its index? So let's start with one approach. So first thing what we can do, we create a vector. With condition. Condition is this: we create vector of size n+1 and initialize it with -1, because all numbers are in range 0 to n, so we can't initialize with any number. That's why we initializing our vector with -1, and we creating size n+1 because our vector size is n, means there is n+1 number. It is clear to all. Now we start with first test case. To what we can do, our nums is 3, 0, 1. There is n equal to 3. Our vector size is 4. We initialize with -1, -1, -1, -1. We check numbers from vector and nums vector and update in v vector. If any number is not present, means the -1 is not updated. At which position -1 is not updated, we return its index. Let's check. Here 0 is present. Here 0 is present. Then -1 will be updated with 0. Here 1 is present. -1 is updated with 1. Here 2 is not present. -1 is not updated. Here 3 is present. -1 is updated with 3. Here index is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here -1 is not updated, means this is our output. Our output n equal to 2. We discuss second test case. Our nums is 0 and 1, means n equal to 2. Our range is 0 to 2, means there is 3 numbers. So then we create vector b with size of 3, initialize with -1, -1 and -1. Now we check Is there 0 is present? Yes. Then update it 0 minus. Is there 1 is present? Yes, minus 1 is updated with 1. Is there 2 is present? No. That's why it's minus 1. Indexing 0, 1, 2. Which index has not updated? Index 2. Here minus 1. This is our output. Output equal to 2. You check on lead code. Both test cases is satisfied with this approach. Now we move to the code part. How we code this. So according to the lead code, we write code, and in next question we show code on lead code. Int n equal to nums dot size. Nums आप अपना वेक्टर है, इसके वेरिएबल को साइज इनिशियलाइज कर दिया एन वेरिएबल को, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट टास्क इज आवर क्रिएट वेक्टर. तो वेक्टर int b and its size initialize here n minus 1 n plus 1 n plus 1 and it all position be initialize minus 1. Our vector is created. Now we iterate through a loop for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Okay, and our task is to do the v of nums I equal to nums I. v of nums I equal to nums I. What this line, ये लाइन क्या कर रहा है? ये लाइन क्या कर रहा है कि वेक्टर के हर एक पोजीशन पे जाके चेक कर रहा है, अपडेट कर रहा है, जो कि मैंने आपको अभी टेस्ट केसेस में समझाया. नाउ टेक अगेन बी क्रिएट int I equal to 0, I less than v dot size I plus plus, and we check same. If v of I equal to minus 1, then return I in its position. और अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मतलब कोई नंबर मिसिंग नहीं है, तो रिटर्न minus 1. This is the code of first approach. The understanding part is only there. We will try on there कि we iterate through loop and check if there 0 is present, update it with 0. If there 1 is present, update is, if there 2 is present, no present, means no present. If there 3 is present, update. This line is doing same task. After all, we check कि in any position of vector there is minus 1. If find that position, we return its index. Now we move on next approach. The approach is using JOR operator. JOR is very useful operator. Using JOR in engineering and if you are field of programming, you know the importance of JOR. JOR is very important. So let's start with some key concept of JOR. Okay, if be something with 0, if we JOR any number with 0, then our output is number. Means I can say if we JOR 2 with 0, our output is 2. If we JOR 3 with 0, our output is 3. Means when we JOR 0 with any number, our output is number itself. The second concept. If we JOR two same numbers, our output is 0. Means if we JOR 2 with 2, our output is 0. If we JOR 3 with 3, our output is 0. And the third concept is if we JOR two different numbers, then our output is something. This is part of calculation. Okay, so you can find binary of itself and binary of itself and JOR using JOR concept, using JOR table, and we get output. Now, how can we apply this concept in this question? So let's start with the first test case. So our nums is 3, 0, 1. Okay. Then we find here n. Our n equal to 3. And our range is 0 to n. Means 0 to 3. Means 0, 1, 2, 3 must be present. Okay. So we start a loop till num dot size and JOR each number with itself like this. Like this. Here 3 is present. JOR. Here start with 0 is present. JOR it with same. Now here 1 is present. join it with same. Now here 2 is in num there is 2 is not present. We join each number with 0 to n. So now we join with number 2. Now here 3 is present. So we join 3 with 3. The concept, if we join two same number, our output is 0. Our output is 0. Our output is 0. Now join 2 with 0, our output is 2. By which we get the answer using join. Let's discuss second test case. Our nums is now fast 0, 1, n equal to 2, range 0 to 2, numbers 0, 1, 2, numbers 0, 1, 2. Now I start joining with this to this. So 0 join with 0, 1 join with 1. Now 2 join with nothing because in nums 2 is not present, but we join because in the range 2 is present. Here cancel, here 0, here 0. Now 2 join with 0. Our output is 2. By using join operator, we can solve this question like this. Its code is quite simple and only 2 lines, no more, not more. Very efficient approach. For लूप चला दीजिए i इक्वल टू 0 से लेके nums डॉट साइज तक, लेस देन nums डॉट साइज तक, एंड i प्लस प्लस. नाउ हेयर वी व्हाट वी कैन डू, फर्स्ट वी इनिशियलाइज साइज. ओके, तो इंट n इक्वल टू nums डॉट साइज. नाउ n इक्वल टू n इंटू i एंड n इक्वल टू n इंटू nums of I. Lastly return n. Here is the code. First we join with each number with itself, and now we join with range. So if the number is present, it join with itself and it cancel out, and if the number is not present, it is not join with itself and it is returned as a output. This is the second approach. Third is the mathematical approach. It is very simple. Its code also is 2 to 3 lines. Its code is also 2 to 3 lines. Now we know the sum of 0 to n. So we know the formula of sum of n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2. We know this. So simple. And now I start with the test case. 3, 0, 1. Okay. So there is n equal to 3, same thing, 0 to 3, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 0. Now we sum of our range is 6. A sum of our vector is 4. Now subtract this, we get our output as 2. I start second test case. Nums equal to 0 and 2, 0 and 1, sorry. N equal to 2, range is 0 to 2, 0 to n is 0 to 2, numbers are, so now we sum of our range 0 to n, we get 3. Now we sum our nums, we get 1, we can subtract 3 minus 1, we get our output as 2. This is the approach, this is a mathematical approach of sum. There's a different approach on mathematics. This is a tough approach, but it is also mathematical approach of arithmetic progression, AP approach. जो SN का फॉर्मूला होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग n/2 इंटू a प्लस an, ये वाले फॉर्मूले से n/2 इंटू 2a प्लस n-1 इंटू d, जिस फॉर्मूले से भी हम सम ऑफ n नंबर निकाल सकते हैं और वही लास्ट में कर देंगे. तो इसका जो सिंपल सा कोड होगा, जो हमने मैथमेटिकल अप्रोच है सम ऑफ n नेचुरल नंबर का, वो बिल्कुल सिंपल सा होगा. सबसे फर्स्ट हम 3 लाइन का कोड होगा, इंट n इक्वल टू nums dot size, and we create a sum, int sum equal to sum of n natural number, so n asterisk n plus 1 by 2, and at the end what we return simple sum minus accumulate nums. This is a C++ STL library that create sum of our vector. So sum minus accumulate nums, it create the sum of our nums, and sum is the sum of our range 0 to n. This is the third approach. Fourth approach is very easy, and you like this approach. You also like the third approach also, and the fourth approach we discussed you must like. So first you watch. The approach fourth is sorting. The approach fourth is sorting. ठीक है. If we sort, there are 3 cases. First case, no missing number. Our second case, the missing number is last number. And third case, the missing number is any number. There are 3 cases, no missing number, or we can say first number is missed. Second case, missing number is last. Third case, any number missing. There are 3 simple test cases. First number is missing, last number is missing, and any number is missing. तो सबसे पहले we use C++ library. Sort. We also line 3 line code for these 3 test cases. Sort. You know the C++ library for sorting. Every student know. Nums dot begin, comma nums dot end. Now initialize n. Int n equal to nums dot size. Now we write for first line. Okay, first number is missing. If nums 0 not equal to 0, return 0. It is for first line. For second line, if nums last number, for last number लिख लिया. Last number क्या होता है? Nums n minus 1 not equal to n, return n. Or for any number, we iterate through a loop. Our nums is sorted for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and we check with each number. Simple and brute force approach. If nums I not equal to I, return I. मतलब कोई अगर 0 के बराबर नहीं है, then return 0. अगर 1 फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे 1 नहीं है, then return first index. If second index पे 2 नहीं है, return second index. This is work like this. Return I, last return 0 or minus 1, whatever the question said. Now we move on lead code and watch all 4 approaches. We write code for that, and all 4 approaches is working. The first approach is this. Int n equal to nums dot size. We create vector which name is v, and its size n plus 1, and we initialize it. We iterate through loop, and we update minus 1 with every number. If there any minus 1 present in vector, we return its index. That is the first approach. The second approach using JOR. It is quite simple and 2 line codes. We can JOR nums with its range. We can JOR nums with its range 0 to n. If the number is present, it JOR with itself and cancel out. If any number is not present, it doesn't JOR with itself and return as output. Third approach is sum. It is also 2 lines code. You can see there. We find sum of n natural numbers and means 0 to n, and we return the accumulate sum of our nums, our vector sum. We subtract with our range sum and return as output. The third approach is sorting approach. That is a brute force approach. There is 3 conditions. First number is missing, last number is missing, or any number is missing. Now we can submit the fourth approach, and all the approaches working efficiently. There is no any problem. So here is a 4 approach of this question. I think you understand. If you like this video, please share. And if you want to detailed approach like this for any question, if you want 2, 3 or 4 approaches for any question, you can comment it down. We make video for that also. Thanks.